This conference will now be recorded.
I think we were just done the looping statements, right? I think we started looping statements. While loop is done and for loop is also done. And I just given some assignments. Have you done that particular assignments? Have you done that specific assignments? Tell me, guys. Okay. So, okay. Now let's do continuation of the looping statements. Python loops. From that particular loops, I just done only while loop and for loop. Now we have some keywords. Very simple keywords we have it. The first keyword is pass keyword. See, basically, the pass keyword will help you when you want to create some dummy loops or dummy blocks. Okay, so dummy block means I don't have any statement. The block it doesn't have any statement, then it could be error. Okay, so when the block it doesn't have any statement, and that you can say that it's a dummy block. So when you want to create some dummy blocks, that situation we are getting this indentation error. To overcome this one, we can use the pass keyword. To overcome this one, we can use the pass keyword. Clear? Note this one. Hello. Hello. Okay, so this is about pass keyword. Now let's go for understanding the continue keyword. So continue keyword means, for example, if you want to stop one specific iteration, okay, and continue the next iteration. Stop one any specific iteration. Okay, by the time of loops, basically this continue we would like to go for using in a loops. Okay, so stop one specific iteration and then continue the next iteration. Okay, for example, let's write a program find the area. Let's write a program. Print okay, print 1 to 10 and don't print don't print 7. Okay, you would like to go for print 1 to 10 and don't print 7 actually. So that means we are going to be using for loop for I in range of, I would like to go for print 1 to 10. So 1 to 11 you can provide here. For example, for every time I would like to go for print I value, but whenever the I value which is reaching to the 7, then I don't want to execute the statements after the continue. That means this sixth print statement, it won't execute. It can execute only 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Got it? Got it? Can you please note this example? Next, write a program, print even numbers from list with continue keyword. Without continue also we can do it, but we would like to go for using the continue keyword. Okay, so for example, I have some list. The list, it may contain some elements 19, 23, 10, 11 and 45 and 78. Okay, and 67, 100, and let's go for I in list. So for every time the I value which is holding the element from the list, and I would like to go for checking the this I could not be divisible with 2, then that means if it is odd number, then I can use the continue. I can execute the continue. Otherwise, I would like to go for print the I value. See, 10, 78, 100 can be executed or not. So please note this example. Hello, done right? Now we have one more keyword. The name of the keyword is break keyword. Okay, so coming to break keyword, which is literally stop the loop. Stop the loop actually. So it can be anything. For example, if you are encountered, so my requirement is that my list should have only odd numbers. If it is encounter the if it is encounter the even number, then I would like to go for print the I value. Mhm. So if I encounter the okay odd if I encounter the even number, then I can break it. See, even we have some other odd numbers are there, but whenever which is encounter the even number, then I don't want to repeat it. My list, it should have only odd numbers. If it contains at least one even number, then I don't want to do it. Then I can literally stop my loop. I don't want to continue it. Okay, so just execute this one. Okay, fine. Let's write one more program. Write a program. Find the given number is write a program. Find the given number is prime or not. Okay, so this time no, I can use the I can have a number. It could be taken from the user. Enter n. So this is the number. Whether it is the prime or not, let me find out. Okay, then how should I do that? For I in range of in between the two to that specific number, if any situation the I the n, it can be divisible with I, then it's not the prime number. So I just print it not a prime, and moreover I can break it. Okay, I don't want to repeat any other statement. If in case else, that means the internal if the break keyword, if it is not executed in the middle of the iterations, then else can be executed successfully. That means for loop is successfully executed without any breaks, then else can be executed, so that it's a prime. Okay, so let me execute now. If I enter the 10, 10 is not a prime, so that it's just printing not a prime. That means else is not executing. This else is related to for, not related to if. If I execute this one, now if I enter the 7, 7 is the prime, so that it's printing that it's a prime. So please execute this two program, and that this means this break keyword program. Okay, let me do one more program. Write a program. Mm, Print prime numbers in a list of elements. List of elements. Okay, for example, you have some list. It may have some elements, and from this particular elements, and I just want to be print only prime numbers. This is your program, guys. Just note this program, and we will do it and share me. So till today, what we are done the control statements. Till control statements we were done, right? Now everyone should open the recall. Everyone should open your now what we will do now. Yeah, hacker rank. So you have to open hacker rank, and from the hacker rank, so we have to practice this all things. Okay, login with student and Gmail. So here we can continue the Python preparation, or else we just practice, or else you can in hacker rank. Here we have the coding practice of Python. We have it, right? You just click on this one. We can try to solve it each and everything, guys. Okay, I think you can able to do it. So make sure that you have to practice this entire Python hacker rank program, and you should have minimum 5-star rating in this particular hacker rank. Okay, so that's your task, and by tomorrow you have to send your all screenshots of your hacker rank account with star. Minimum 2 stars I need it by tomorrow. Okay, see you guys, bye. Bye guys, see you.